Hello, my name's Rachel from kalkinemedia. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications for our latest videos. Now, Canada's economic recovery is on the slow track, with the gross domestic product expected to be around 6% this year, lower than previous estimates. That's according to the Bank of Canada. However, stock markets have defied all trends and continue to rise, breaking records one after the other. With quarterly earnings season around the corner, analysts expect the figures may be as robust as the country moves steadily to vaccinate its citizens from coronavirus. Here are 5 rising Canadian stocks that have the potential to do well over the next few weeks. Stocks of Canada-based gold exploration company Newfound Gold Corp closed at $10.65 Canadian cents on July the 21st. The stock gained almost 271% in the past 6 months. The gold production of the company posted a record high of 16.5% month-to-month in June. The revenue in June also went up by 11.9 million Canadian dollars, or 11.4%. That's compared to revenue in May. The company's net loss narrowed to 5.39 million Canadian dollars in the first quarter of financial year 2021, from 6.61 million the same quarter last year. The loss was accrued due to the increase in exploration and evaluation expenses. The price-to-book ratio is 23.67 times. The company's operations have not been materially impacted by the outbreak of the pandemic so far, with all its key projects trending positively. Next company on our list is Standard Lithium, another metal and mining company that develops and explores lithium brine properties in the US. The company has a market cap of 1.03 billion Canadian dollars and 141.92 million outstanding shares. The mining scrip has been trading almost 17% down from its 52-week high of $8.86 Canadian cents as at the 13th of June, and nearly 620% above its 52-week low of $1.02 back in September 2020. The stock went up by almost 88% within a month. In the last year, it climbed by almost 562%. Owing to the pandemic and strict protocols in place, the company incurred a net loss of 9.8 million Canadian dollars for the quarter ending 31st of March, an increased loss of 5.7 million on the 31st of December. Oil exploration company Reconnaissance Energy Africa explores and develops oil and gas in regions like Namibia and Botswana. As part of an environmental, social and governance activity, the company provides safe drinking water in many Namibian communities and also invests capital in the projects. It's got a market cap of 1.82 billion Canadian dollars and 163.84 million outstanding shares. The stock is trading almost 1,891% above its 52-week low of 65 Canadian cents. That was on the 24th of August 2020 and was rocketed by a whopping 1,387% over the past year. The first quarterly for 2021 shows Reconnaissance net loss widened 2.89 million from 1.38 million in the first quarter of financial year 2020. Owing to the pandemic and strict lockdown in place, operations were temporarily suspended, which resulted in this loss. The company has a market cap of 1.83 million Canadian dollars and 163.84 million outstanding shares. The recent price-to-book ratio stands at 26.54. Hive Blockchain Technologies develops infrastructure solutions for the blockchain industry and is the first crypto miner to be publicly traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange. It strives to bridge the gap between the traditional capital market and the emerging blockchain space while adhering to the ESG norms. The company's income from digital currency mining is reported at $13.7 million in the third quarter of financial year 2021, up 174% year on year. The recent cryptocurrency rally and increased production of Bitcoin were the main reason for the increase in this revenue this quarter. The net income for the quarter stands at $17.2 million. On the valuation metrics, the price to earnings ratio stands at 25.6 and the price to book ratio stands at 15.83, whereas the employees per share is 0.11. Cloud MD Software and Services offers SaaS-based healthcare solutions across Canada. The company has invested in technologies like telemedicine and uses artificial intelligence in healthcare. The company has a market cap of 449.02 million Canadian dollars and 231.38 million outstanding shares as at the 22nd of July this year. The healthcare script rose 11% in the last month and nearly 238% of the past year. The total revenue posted is $8.8 million in the first quarter of financial year, up by 187 year on year. The net loss stood at $5.3 Canadian million. The price to book ratio stands at 2.57 times. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, please like, comment and share, and subscribe to Kalkinemedia's YouTube channel for interesting insights and information on the markets and beyond. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.